My name is Chrissy, and I'm the reference librarian at the Mandeville branch of the St. Tammany Parish Library. While we may not be able to meet in person, we're excited to be able to offer you virtual programming using the online meeting tool Zoom. Today I'm going to show you how to register for a program on our website, and then how to enter and join the meeting using the Zoom tool. First, you will navigate to the library website, sttamanylibrary.org. Once here, click on the Events tab at the top of the screen. This will bring you to the Events page, which will show you all of our upcoming programming. Today we're going to sign up for Storytime with Miss Joanna. Click on the link, and this will bring you to the event page. Here you will find more information about the program, as well as a blue Register button. Click on that button. In order to register, you will need to provide the library with your first name, your last name, and your email address. Then click Complete Registration. Why do we need your email address? This is how we're going to send you the link to the Zoom program. Also, for certain programs such as Storytime and Performers, we'll send a link to the recording of the program for anyone who wasn't able to attend live. So even if you think you may not be able to make these programs, you want to go ahead and register so you can get the recording. But please remember, this is only the case for certain programs. Not everything will have a recording. Shortly before the meeting, you'll receive an email invitation to join the Zoom meeting. The invitation will include the title of the meeting, the date and time, a link to the Zoom meeting room, a meeting ID, and a meeting password. All of this information is unique to each program offered by the St. Tammany Parish Library. Click on the link to join the meeting room, but leave the email open because you'll need the meeting ID and password later. Clicking the link will open a new web browser window. You'll be directed to the Zoom website page. Here, if you have the software already installed on your computer, you'll see a pop-up window that says Open Zoom Meetings. If not, click Download and Run Zoom to install the software. If you're using a PC or Mac, the software will download to your Downloads folder, where you can click on the .exe or executable file to begin the installation process. If you're using a mobile device, such as an iPad, iPhone, or Android phone or tablet, you'll be directed to your App Store, where you can download and open the app. Once the software is installed, Zoom will open automatically. You'll see a blue Join a Meeting button. Click that button and then navigate back to the email you received from the library. We're going to copy the meeting ID, select it, then press Ctrl-C to copy, then press Ctrl-V to paste. If you're not comfortable copying and pasting, you can always rekey the information. Then type in your name. This information will be visible to everyone who attends the meeting. Click Join. Next, you'll need the password. Go ahead and copy and paste, Ctrl-C, then Ctrl-V. Again, you can always rekey. Then press Join Meeting. It may take a moment to connect to the meeting, but then you'll be directed to the waiting room. Now is a great time to test your computer audio. Click the button and a new screen. Here you click Test Speakers to see the sound level that you'll have when you're in the program. You can adjust the sound by clicking on the blue dot and moving it up and down to adjust the volume. Then you can test your mic. As you can see, the blue line is showing that my voice is registering on the microphone. Once you are comfortable with your sound levels, you can close the button. Once you've been admitted to the meeting, you will see the host screen in the background, but in front you'll see this blue Join with Computer Audio button. This will allow you to hear the program. Click the button. Now you have entered into the meeting. Congratulations! You've made it to your Zoom program. But don't worry, no one will be able to see your video. For all of our programs, the audio and the video have been muted, so you'll show up as a little black box on the top of the screen with your name in it. So don't worry, no one can see you. However, some of our programs may be interactive, and you may be allowed to unmute yourself. To do that, mouse down to the bottom of your screen and click the Unmute button. The red line will disappear, and everyone will then be able to hear what you're saying. Click it again, muted. You want to remain muted when you're not speaking. This little notification will show up from time to time to remind you how to unmute yourself. You can always press Alt-A, but if you're like me and you like to use the mouse, clicking works just as well. You can also click the video camera to make yourself appear. Hello everyone. And then click it again to make yourself disappear. Also, there is a chat feature. Clicking here on chat will allow you to communicate with the group. You can communicate to everyone, or you can just choose to talk to the moderator. This is super helpful if, for example, you're having a hard time, maybe you can't hear. This will allow you to talk directly to the host of the meeting, and they can help you with your problem without interrupting the session for everyone else. I hope this tutorial has helped you and you feel a little bit more comfortable with Zoom. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at reference@stpl.us. Thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing you in a virtual meeting really soon.